welcome to Food Paradise Online. When you think of Diwali, what comes in your mind? For me, Diwali is a celebration that's with family, great sweets, great food, crackers, new clothes, and what else think about. Why don't we make something special sweet recipe to your family? Now we are going to make a little bit healthier, less oil. Come, let's go and check out the recipes. Now we are going to see 5 different types of oilless sweet recipes. Before that, please subscribe and click the bell button. First, we are going to make 3 different sweet recipes in one single dough. For that, 1 cup maida, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon curd, 2 tablespoon butter. Mix everything together. Make a soft dough. In this dough, we are going to make 3 different sweets. For make a dough, you should add 5 to 8 tablespoon of milk. We are going to make a Suryakala, Chandrakala and Lavanga Latika. For that Suryakala, Chandrakala and Lavanga Latika, we should make one stuffing, that is a instant koya. See, the dough is now ready. This is the perfect consistency of the dough. Rest the dough for 10 minutes. Now let's start prepare the sugar syrup. For that, 1 cup of sugar, half cup water. Mix it well until the sugar dissolved. Add some cardamom and saffron for the taste. Allow the sugar syrup to boil. Boil it for one sting consistency. Now the sugar syrup is ready. Now let's make a instant koya. For that, half cup milk powder. This is a homemade milk powder. And 1/4 cup condensed milk. Mix the both. Now add 2 tablespoon nuts powder, that means cashew nut and badam powder. Cook it become thick. See, now the koya is ready. Now let's start the shapes. First, take a small size of ball. Flat the dough and take another dough and flat it. Now add 1 teaspoon koya and take the another dough and place it in top. Seal the dough and twist the edges. See, now the Suryakala is ready. Next, we are going to make a Chandrakala. Flat the dough. 1 teaspoon koya, seal and twist the edges. Now for this chandrakala we are folding into half. Next we are going to make a lavanga latika. Um, for this we are going to make a pocket folding. Flat the dough. Add 1 teaspoon koya. Fold like a pocket. For this in center I am using a cloves. That means lavangam. Preheat the air fryer for 5 minutes. Place all the Suryakala, Chandrakala and Lavangam Latika. Brush some oil. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius 10 to 15 minutes. Now the Suryakala, Chandrakala, Lavangam Latika is ready. Now add all the sweets in sugar syrup. Leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the 3 sweets are ready. Next, we are going to make a kaja sweets. For that, you need 1 cup of maida, pinch of salt, 2 teaspoon ghee, mix everything and make a crumble. Add some water. Make a soft dough. Knead the dough for 5 minutes. It becomes nice, soft and smooth dough. Now the dough is ready. Roll it into thin sheet. Add 1 teaspoon ghee. It will not stick into the roller. Now cut the edges like square shape. Apply half teaspoon ghee and roll it tightly. It helps to get layers. Now cut into small pieces. Now press gently. See, the perfect layers is formed. Preheat the air fryer for 5 minutes. Place the kaja in air fryer bowls. Bake it for 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we are going to make a sugar syrup. Same sugar syrup which we prepare for lavangam, latika, kaju, suryakala, chandrakala. Same process. 1 cup sugar, half cup water. Add some cardamom. If you want, you can add saffron also. For this also, you should have a one string consistency. See, the kaja is cooked perfectly. Sugar syrup is warm. Now add the kajas in sugar syrup. Mix everything and soak it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the kaja is ready. Next, we are going to make a jangri recipe. For that, you need half cup urad dal. Soak it for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 hours, strain the water and grind it like a smooth paste. Now add half teaspoon baking powder, food color, mix it well. Mix it for at least 5 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon rice flour. It gives nice crispiness. Mix it well and keep it aside. Now we are going to make a sugar syrup. Half cup sugar, 1/4 cup water and mixed well. Boil it for 5 to 7 minutes in low flame. It should be in one string consistency. See, the one string consistency is formed. Now squeeze off lemon juice. Now add some food color. Take one plate, apply some oil. Take a sauce bottle, ziploc bag or a jaggery cloth. Fill the uh, batter in that. Now start making the shapes. Preheat air fryer for 5 minutes. Bake it for 200 degrees Celsius for 3 to 5 minutes. See, it becomes nice crispiness. But in this process, we cannot get a perfect shape. But but otherwise, the taste wise is very tasty. Same, we should prepare in deep fry like that. Soak it for 2 minutes in sugar syrup. Now the oilless yummy jangri is ready. Next we are going to prepare a badusha. One cup maida, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon sugar, pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon curd, 2 tablespoon butter. Mix it well. Add 5 to 8 tablespoon milk to make a nice soft dough. See, the dough is ready. This is the consistency for the dough. It gives a layers for the badusha. Tuck the dough and keep it aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, make the badushas. Take a small ball size. Press in center gently. Preheat the air fryer for 5 minutes. Brush oil. Place all the badushas in the air fryer bowl. Brush some oil in top of the badushas. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. See, now the badushas is cooked nicely. Now add the badushas in sugar syrup. Leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can enjoy the yummy badushas. Next, we are going to make a gulab jamun. Empty or ready mix gulab jamun mix packet only we are going to use. I am using one packet. Add a required amount of water. Mix well and make it a smooth soft dough. Rest it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, grease the hands. Now start making the gulab jamuns. Make clean and smooth gulab jamuns without the crackers. See, all gulab jamuns is ready. Now apply some oil. Preheat the air fryer for 5 minutes. Now place all the gulab jamuns in air fryer bowl. Bake it for 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we are going to make a sugar syrup. 1 cup sugar, 1/4 cup water, mix it well. And this is also one string consistency, same as I told you in the previous recipes. See, now the jamun is ready. Soak the jamuns in sugar syrup. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can enjoy the super and tasty yummy gulab jamun. This Deepavali, you can enjoy your oil-less sweet recipes and enjoy the healthy Deepavali. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye. See you in next video.